Thank you guys for joining me today. I'm working on this canvas that's been used once and scraped. It's not had a painting dry on it. It's 20 by 20, and I'm giving it a base coat of white to start off with. This is going to be a ring pour, and I'm attempting to get the cloud effect. Get my sides really good first before I begin. That side looks good. Okay, that looks good to me. I'm going to start off with the Art Deco Americana satin enamel in white, and follow it with, this is a self-mixed turquoise. These are Arteza paints, both of them. This is Artist Loft greenish yellow. I won't need to fill this entire cup. And then my 24 karat gold from Faux Park. A lot of that. I've been going over and over in my mind whether to use this pink or the purple. Decision. So what I think I decided is to use a little of both. I think I decided that. That pink there, and then put a little purple on top of that. And then I'm going to put some more white. Okay. That sunk. And this beautiful metallic pistachio that I got from Arteza is so pretty. I mix a little bit of the gold with it too. Oops, that went down in there too. A bit more of this turquoise. Pink. I probably won't need this cup, the whole thing, but it's good to have some extra, you know, in case I need some. I failed to measure my paints this time. I'm a bad girl. Sorry you can't see that. Okay, I don't want to make a sandwich for it. Let's begin. I don't want to mix these too much in the cup, they'll get muddy. When you shake it like this to form your circles, your rings, it does tend to get a little running off the other side. So I don't have this canvas level. Continue here. Try to cover up that flaw. If it's possible. Make kind of a tornado here at the end. A lot of paint. I need the torch. Pretty colors though. Really liking them. edges. I'm looking for the cloud effect, and I'm not really seeing it. A little bit. I see a little bit. I'm trying to go in a circle and enlarge these cells. This is Montmark silicone oil that I used. It was designed specifically for pouring. Very pretty.